Hi, my name is Kim Goldtom, and I am an IAWP certified wellness coach. I've been with the IAWP since July of 2016, and it has been an incredible journey for me. Not only did it heal my adrenal fatigue, but it has helped me to heal other women who are overexhausted and burnt out and have taken too much on their shoulders that they can't handle it anymore. And one of the biggest life-changing pieces, in addition to healing my own health and being able to help others, is I was able to leave a high-level corporate executive position so that I could now have my own business. And so I now am the owner of Creating Legacy Wellness. And something I'm really excited about is I was just redoing my signature system and signature talk off over the last month and a half with the support of the IWP, of course. And today I am off to a Power Women's Summit where I'm going to be doing 3 breakout sessions, and I'm super excited to be presenting my signature talk to them. And so being able to make a difference in my community as well as in my own health is incredibly empowering and rewarding to me. The IAWP has impacted my life in a way that I just can't put into words. And I will say that if you choose to go with the IAWP as well, you're going to see some incredible impacts as well. So I just want to say thank you so much for this time. Thank you, IAWP. This has been such an awesome experience, and I'm looking forward to many, many, many years of experiences to come. Thank you.